Hello, everybody. Enough of listening to what people say. Do you even know English or not? Well, guess what? From today, no more insults, no more shame, no more fear because of English. If you're also thinking the same, then you're absolutely in the right place. Because we are about to begin our 30-day English speaking challenge. I know, we might not become English pros in 30 days. But a question struck my heart. Can someone really learn to speak English in 30 days? And guess what? Let's find out together. We'll accept this challenge and watch the improvement inside us grow every day. I'm not promising you'll be fluent like a native speaker. But I can promise this. You will start speaking English confidently. And no one will dare to mock your English again. So tell me, are you ready to take this challenge? But hey, not a half-hearted challenge. Not the I start today and forget tomorrow type. Right now, subscribe to the channel. So you remember, you're in this 30-day transformation journey. You've kept your mobile with you forever, right? Now just imagine, once you master English, you'll enjoy life on a whole new level. So quickly, hit that subscribe button now. Because every video in this series is going to take you one step closer to your goal. And I strongly believe, together, we'll conquer English like champions. Now let me explain how this series will work. We'll divide the video into two parts. Part 1. We will understand all the tenses one by one, clearly and from the basics. Part 2. We'll move into powerful speaking practice only. Yes, only practice. And remember this. You don't need to write anything down in your notebook. You just need to listen and speak. Because until you speak, you won't learn. So promise me, you will speak with me in every video. And yes, watch each video at least 5 times. So that every formula gets stuck in your brain like super glue. Don't just watch. Speak along with me. Every single time. So, are you ready? Let's begin our challenge. Hello dear students and welcome back to another fun episode of Speak English with Kalu and Chaku. Today's topic is present indefinite tense. Are you ready, Kalu? I was born ready, Chaku ma'am. But थोड़ा slow समझाना please, beginner हूँ, लेकिन English का दीवाना हूँ. Ha. That's the spirit. Okay, let's begin. First, let me explain what present indefinite tense is. Part 1. Simple present tense. Formula. Subject plus V1, base form, plus object. For he, she, it, we add s or s to the verb. Let's do 15 simple examples. Yes ma'am, let's go. Examples. 1. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. 2. You play cricket every Sunday. 3. We go to school. 4. They watch TV at night. 5. He reads books. 6. She sings very well. 7. It barks at strangers. 8. I love English. 9. My father works in an office. 10. My mother cooks delicious food. 11. The sun rises in the east. 12. The train arrives at 9 p.m. 13. I take a shower every day. 14. We study together. 15. She dances in competitions. Part 2. Negative sentences. Formula. Subject plus do does plus not plus we plus object. Use does for he she it. Use do for I you we they. Now I'll say something wrong, you correct me? I goes to school. Wrong, naughty boy. It should be I go to school. Let's do 15 negative examples. Examples. 1. I do not eat junk food. 2. You do not like cold drinks. 3. We do not go to the gym. 4. They do not play video games. 5. He does not run fast. 6. She does not study at night. 7. It does not fly. 8. I do not sleep late. 9. My dad does not smoke. 10. My mom does not drink coffee. 11. You do not sing loudly. 12. We do not cheat in exams. 13. She does not speak French. 14. He does not wake up early. 15. They do not watch cartoons. Part 3. Interrogative sentences, questions. Formula. Do does plus subject plus we plus object. Let's test your brain now with 15 questions. Examples. A. Do you play football? 2. Does he like chocolate? 3. Do they visit you often? 4. Does she dance well? 5. Do we study together? 6. Do I know you? 7. Does it work properly? 8. Do you go to school? 9. Do birds fly? 10. Does your brother play guitar? 11. Does your sister cook? 12. Do I disturb you? 13. Does he drive a car? 14. Do we need help? 15. Do they eat spicy food? Part 4. WH questions. Formula. WH word plus do does plus subject plus we plus object. This one sounds cool. Like detectives use. Examples. 1. What do you eat for breakfast? 2. Where do you live? 3. When do you wake up? 4. Why do they fight? 5. How do you learn English? 6. Who does she love? 7. What does he do? 8. Why does it cry? 9. Where does your mom work? 10. When does your dad come home? 11. What do birds eat? 12. Who do you follow on Instagram? 13. Why do we study grammar? 14. How does this app work? 15. What does your sister watch on TV? Teacher Chaku and student Kalu present indefinite Kande round. Alright Kalu, now it's time for your test. I'll ask you 15 questions in present indefinite. You have to answer using the same tense, okay? Let's go, ma'am. I'm ready to shine. 1. Chaku, what do you do every morning? Kalu, I brush my teeth and drink water every morning. 2. Chaku, where do you live? Kalu, I live in Delhi with my family. 3. Chaku, do you go to school? Kalu, yes, I go to school every day. 4. Chaku, what does your mother cook for lunch? Kalu, she cooks rice and vegetables for lunch. 5. Chaku, when do you do your homework? Kalu, I do my homework in the evening. 6. Chaku, does your father work in an office? Kalu, yes, he works in a bank. 7. Chaku, what games do you play with your friends? Kalu, I play cricket and football with my friends. 8. Chaku, do you read books? Kalu, yes, I read English storybooks. 9. Chaku, where does your best friend live? Kalu, he lives in the same street. 10. Chaku, what time do you sleep at night? Kalu, I sleep at 10 p.m. 11. Chaku, why do you love English? Kalu, I love English because it is fun and useful. 12. Chaku, do you drink milk every day? Kalu, yes, I drink milk every morning. Chaku, does your sister watch cartoons? Kalu, yes, she watches cartoons every evening. 14. Chaku, who teaches you English? Kalu, you teach me English, Chaku ma'am. 15. Chaku, what do you do in your free time? Kalu, I listen to music and practice English in my free time. Chaku, excellent, Kalu. You speak with confidence and clarity. I'm proud of you. Kalu, thank you, ma'am. You guide me so well. I learn with love. Final sweet conversation, all in present indefinite. Kalu, do you understand present indefinite tense now? Yes, ma'am. You teach so sweetly that even grammar feels like chocolate. I use English now. I speak English now. I do not feel shy. That's wonderful. Keep practicing and remember, practice makes perfect. Mistakes are steps to success. You're doing great, Kalu. Thank you, Chaku ma'am. You do not teach like a teacher, you teach like a friend. And I do not stop dreaming. I speak English. I grow. I shine. That's the spirit. See you all in the next episode, dear listeners. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling. Bye bye.